Well, I decided to do one more thing before digging the 1/4-inch tubing and putting that in. I'm just digging down a few inches with my hammer to make sure the roots don't go out too far from these two trees, and because this area hasn't really had a garden in it for a while, and it's also going to help aerate the ground. And when I start putting some of the garden soil in there, the first few bags, I'll take it and kind of jimmy it up, wrestle it in with the existing. Okay, so just taking my hammer, that's all. I'm gonna go down about 2.5, 3 inches or so. See if I see any root clumps or anything that was in here from before. See, I don't need those roots coming in anywhere. It'll make the gardening easier to be planted. See, that was right up at the top. See there? I don't need all that growing out everywhere in here from this little lime tree or whatever it is, which hasn't produced anything for a couple of years. Okay, so I just want it all nice like that first, and I'm going to keep going. In fact, I spent a good 15 minutes doing over there, across, over, halfway over to here. You can see how nice it is. Okay, and then I'll straighten it all out, get it leveled and stuff. Here's the roots that I got out of there, and I'm sure I'll get some more through there. Then I'll just kind of move it around with my gloves and stuff and get it level before I do this. But I'm not even going to do that next. I'm just doing this, and then after that, obviously, you know what's next, right? The 1/4-inch tubing that I'm going to tie in to that existing, coming in through this little gap here and over there with the 1/4-inch tubing. You'll see. I'll do one or something and show you what I'm gonna do that. Okay, easy greasy. You can do it too. I figured I was gonna have to kind of dig this up anyway, and so I thought, hey, before I put the sprinklers in here, I might as well do that. Then it will be easy to just kind of dig a little bit down there, get my sprinkler pipe down in there, and fish it in along there, and it'll be easier to do that too. And I'll get a complete job here ready. That way, when I put the sprinklers in, I'll set the sprinklers in here even Steven. Well, I've got 2 halves, so I'll have to kind of figure out exactly how to do that. And when I bring the tube in, I might make this piece a little bit long and then curl it over so that I can position this one where I want, make this tube a little bit too long so I can kind of move it and straighten it out, take a tape measure if I want, make the other side the same, whatever, okay?